Good morning. Today we're going to be taking a look at the NexTool Micro Sailor Scissors S0. This is the latest from the Sailor line, and previously we had the Sailor, and then it was followed by the Mini Sailor, and now we have the Micro Sailor. Unlike the other tools, which are pliers, this one is actually a pair of scissors. And in fact, it features the NEX-SCISSORS System 2.0, which is one of the best scissors I've seen in a multi-tool. So I'm really excited to look at this. So it comes in this box, and there's an illustration here of the multi-tool, and then it features 8 tools. So on the side here, we have the NexTool website, and then a 10-year warranty mark. So some features, 35 grams, that's pretty light, and 9mm thin. At the back, we have another illustration of the multi-tool and the list of tools that it has. So scissors, hanging hole, tweezers, eyeglass screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, file, bottle opener, and flathead screwdriver. So the main material is 5CR15 MOV steel. That's probably for the scissors. And for the rest, it's 420J1. The dimensions are 61 by 22 by 9mm. And then the weight is 35 grams plus and minus 5 grams. Let's open it. So it comes in this plastic caddy. We have a desiccant pack here. A case made of polyurethane probably. Definitely this is not leather. And it's lined with felt here, so that's good. We have a small user guide here. And then we have the tool itself. So this one is the stainless steel version, but recently NexTool actually came up with a bunch of different colors. You have the NexTool branding here. And then the design actually looks more like the NexTool flagship Captain. Torque screws. And then we have a lanyard attachment here with a keyring. And then we have the main tool here, the scissors. Here's a closer look. So here we have a serrated edge, and then it's slightly curved, so it really helps in grabbing the material. And then on this side, we have the plain edge, which is the main cutting edge. It's spring-loaded, so that makes it easy and convenient to use. But the handle can be more comfortable, so it might dig into the palm of your hands for tougher materials. So let's try cutting some stuff. I have cardboard here. No problem. Packaging strap here. And then a string. And then a zip tie. So no problem at all. But yeah, it sort of digs into your hand. On to the rest of the tools. So we have here a pair of tweezers, and it locks in the 90-degree angle. And although it's a little bit unusual, it's actually comfortable to use. Here's a closer look. So the tip is pretty fine, so it should be easy to grab splinters and hair with this one. So it's not locking, but I don't think you can expect locking at this size. Then on the other side, we have a Phillips head screwdriver. So it's a 2.5D head. And then there's a file on the other side. I think it's pretty usable, at least for fingernails. And then we have two tools here. So let's take a look at this one first. So we have a bottle cap opener here with a flathead screwdriver. I don't think you can use this as a pry. And then we have a very small flathead here. So this will probably come in useful for eyeglasses. And that's about it really. So it's really a small minimalist tool. And without a knife blade, it's probably something that you can carry on airplanes. Although I'm still concerned because, of course, this is pointy. So it might still be blocked at the airport. But overall, I think this is another good product from NexTool. And it's something that I might carry. So I actually prefer to have pliers and a knife, of course. But if a knife is not an option, then maybe I would choose this. What about you? Is this something that you would carry? Please comment down below, and thank you for watching.